Hello there, welcome to Wireless Solutions. Today we are diving into the essential tips and tricks for a substitute of Safari, which is Google Chrome. If you find that Safari is not available for your Apple device, there are alternative methods you can use to back up and manage your data. One of the most effective and commonly used tools for this purpose is Google Chrome. In the world of web browsing, Safari has long been a popular choice for users of Apple devices due to its seamless integration with macOS and iOS. However, Google Chrome offers a compelling alternative that boasts a wide array of features and customization options. This tutorial will guide you through the process of using Google Chrome as a substitute for Safari, including a step-by-step guide to help you get started with Chrome's system, settings, and features. Why choose Google Chrome? Google Chrome is praised for its fast performance, user-friendly design, and extensive features. Developed by Google, Chrome is compatible with major operating systems, including Windows, Android, and Linux, as well as macOS and iOS. This cross-platform compatibility ensures a consistent and efficient browsing experience across all devices. Installing Google Chrome. Number 1. Download Chrome. Open your Play Store app on your Android device. Once the Play Store is open, navigate to the search bar at the top of the screen. Tap on the search bar and type in Google Chrome. Select Google Chrome. Number 2. Install Chrome. Once the download is complete, open the downloaded file. Number 3. Sign in to Chrome. To synchronize your bookmarks, history, and settings, sign in with your Google account. Click on the profile icon in the top right corner of Chrome and select Sign in to Chrome. Enter your Google account credentials and follow the prompts to complete the sign-in process. Using Google Chrome, a step-by-step guide. Number 1. Navigating the interface. Address bar. The address bar at the top of the window is where you enter website URLs or search queries. You can also use it to access Google Search directly. Tabs. Chrome allows you to open multiple tabs. Click the plus icon next to the last open tab to add a new one. You can switch between tabs by clicking on them. Number 2. Bookmarking website. To bookmark a website, navigate to the site you want to save and click the star icon at the end of the address bar. A pop-up window will appear where you can name the bookmark and choose a folder to save it in. Click Done to save it. Number 3. Managing extensions. Extensions enhance Chrome's functionality. To install an extension, go to the Chrome Web Store. Browse or search for extensions. Click Add to Chrome and follow the instructions to install. You can manage your extensions by clicking the 3 vertical dots in the upper right corner, selecting More Tools and then Extensions. Number 4. Customizing settings. Access Chrome's settings by clicking the 3 vertical dots in the upper right corner and selecting Settings. Here, you can adjust privacy settings, manage search engines, set your homepage, and customize other preferences. Number 5. Syncing your data. To ensure your bookmarks, history, and settings are synced across all your devices, make sure you are signed in with the same Google account on each device. Check synchronization settings by going to Settings, then You and Google, and selecting Sync and Google Services. Number 6. Private browsing. To browse privately, open an incognito window by clicking the 3 vertical dots and selecting New Incognito Window. In incognito mode, your browsing history and cookies are not saved. And that is all there is. We hope that this meaningful solution brightens your day. And if you find this video helpful, please give us a thumbs up and subscribe. Your support means a lot to us. Thank you so much, and we hope to see you in our next video.